There is a very old Zen story. A blind man was leaving a friend's house at night. The friend says, "Take a lantern lamp with you. The road is dark. The house is far." The blind man started laughing. He said, "Are you joking? What difference does a lantern lamp make to me, a blind? Whether there is a lantern lamp or not, the road will remain dark. I will have to grope for it." But the friend was very logical, a great scholar. He said, "I know that you are a blind. I also know this. Don't try to explain me. I also know that the lantern lamp in your hand does not to make any difference to you, but it will be make a difference to others. They will avoid a colliding with you, and you will also benefit from that. In the dark, someone will collide with you. If you have a lantern lamp in your hand, no one will collide with you." The argument was weighty. Even the blind man could not deny it. The problem with arguments is that they have a weight, and there is a great deceptions in weight. The blind man said, "This is the truth. Till date I have never carried a lantern lamp, but now that you are saying it, it makes a sense. I cannot say it is wrong. I will take it with me." He took a lantern lamp. He must have hardly taken a 10 step when a man came and bumped into him with a force. The blind man said, "What is this matter? Can this logic be so wrong? Are you also blind, brother?" There can be only one thing, that this man is also blind, and he is also not able to see the lantern lamp. The man said, "I am not blind. I have eyes. You are a blind. Do you think the world is blind?" The blind man said, "If you have eyes, then cannot you see this lantern lamp in your hand?" The man said, "The light inside the lantern lamp has gone off long ago. You are carried and extinguished a lantern lamp, and there was a danger." The blind man had been walking along his life. No one had ever bumped into it. Because he walked carefully, walked like a blind man, walked by begging a stick. If there was even a slight sound, he would be shout that, "Brother, I am a blind man." But today he was walking with arrogance. You had a lantern lamp in your hand. What's the worry? This arrogance has put you in more trouble, and the lantern lamp had gone off. Your thoughts are like a stick in the hands of blind man, and the great thinker within you have a lantern lamp in their hands. which is extinguished, and the extreme thinker within you go mad. Meet them in the mental asylums. They are great thinkers. They keep on thinking. They are such great thinkers that they are unable to reach a decision. You reach because you are not a great thinker. Your thinking comes to an end. You reach some conclusions or the others. But they go on thinking, go on thinking. They never reach a decision. They are chains of thoughts long. The thoughtlessness does not think because of a problem. Thinking does not happen in thoughtlessness. Thoughtlessness sees. If you understand properly, then thoughtlessness does not see a problem. It is see a solution, and thoughts see a problems. It has to think of a solutions. The solution is ready-made of one's own. The problems is outside. The problems is outside for a thoughtful mind. The solution is of one's own imaginations. A thoughtlessness mind does not see the problems at all. It only sees the solutions. Therefore, there is no need to think. But if you want, you can call this the right thoughts. This is actually thoughts where it is visible. There is no problem. There is a solution. Understand like this. First, the problem is visible. Then the solution has to be found. Then the thoughts. If the solution is visible as soon as the problem is seen, there is not a moment, a gap between the problems and the solutions. If not even a moment, space has to be wasted for thinking. Then the understand that it is thoughtlessness. Therefore, do not call a Lord Buddha, Lord Mahavir and Lord Krishna thinker. They are not thinkers. Buddha, Mahavir and Krishna are not thinkers. Just like Aristotle is a thinker, Pluto is a thinker. Similarly, Buddha, Mahavir is not thinkers. Pluto is a great thinker. Aristotle is a great thinkers. Mahavir and Buddha are not thinkers at all. They are available to thoughtlessness. They do not find a problem at all. Wherever they go, they find a solution. This state is what we call samadhi. One who has samadhi within, always the solution outside in his life. And one who has disturbed thoughts inside, he only problems outside.